Deadly mistake number 4. Purchasing a trailer with either a wood or steel mesh deck. An expanded metal or mesh deck looks a lot like heavy-duty chicken wire. Here again, the manufacturers use it to cut cost. Wire mesh isn't as strong as wood or steel panels, it flexes, bends, and is much more open to road debris and rusts easily. Wood decks warp, split, rot, or break. Wood also needs periodic painting and maintenance. Echo Elite trailers feature an all-steel non-slip deck panels that add strength and rigidity to the trailer while protecting your valuable machines from road debris. And the non-slip surface will provide traction while also allowing the water to run off, yet it needs no painting because it's powder coated. Tie-down bars are welded into the deck and additional tie-down loops are located around the frame, plus you can tie to the outer railing anywhere because it is fully welded and rock solid. Echo Elite bonus. For even greater convenience and speed in securing your load, order the retractable ratchet straps on your trailer and put an end to lost and tangled straps. You'll be halfway down the road while your friends are still untangling straps and tying down. Mistake number 5. Purchasing a trailer with small tires. If the tires look like they belong on a 4-year-old's bike, run the other way. Tires are one of the most critical parts of the entire trailer. It doesn't matter how great your trailer is if your tires are tiny little suckers that blow out because they're simply not big enough. By far the biggest reason that tires blow out is that they are overloaded. The larger the tire, the more weight they can carry. Plus, the slower they spin on the bearings, making it easier on your entire bearing assembly. It just makes sense. So, don't go for the tiny cheapo tires. Make sure yours are 13 or 14 inch with a load rating as high as your axle. Many times that's 2,000 to 3,500 pounds. Echo trailers come standard with 13 inch or 14 inch special trailer 6-ply tires. Now these types of tires cost more for us to put on the trailer, but we've seen way too many problems and accidents because manufacturers skimp on tires. Quality tires are essential to safe and hassle-free driving. You'll never have to worry when you have large quality tires. Echo Elite bonus. All Echo trailers come standard with a spare tire mounting bracket, so don't forget to order a spare tire with your new Echo Elite trailer. And if you want to make your trailer look even better, order our optional chrome or aluminum mag wheels. Deadly mistake number 6. Buying the wrong type of trailer. Many trailer manufacturers and dealers call utility trailers ATV trailers. Wrong. Have you ever tried loading ATVs into a utility trailer? You spend a lot of time and energy lifting and sliding ATVs around to fit in the trailer. Today's ATVs are just too big and heavy to be lifting and pushing and scooting around on trailers. Now 17 years ago, Echo pioneered the drive-on, drive-off concept by building the first side-load ATV trailer. This allows 2 machines to fit on a 9.5-foot deck compared to a long 14-foot deck. 9.5 feet fits in the garage and other places much more easily. A utility trailer doesn't work as well as an ATV trailer. However, ATV trailers can be used as utility trailers. With the Echo Elite, you can haul anything: motorcycles, golf carts, go-karts, canoes, bicycles, rafts, furniture, building supplies, equipment. The list goes on and on. Echo Elite bonus. Echo accessories include our industry-leading receiver, provide unlimited options such as a bicycle rack, extra room for a cooler, and a kayak rack. Also notice the lockable toolbox and gas can rack. No more gas cans in the back of the truck or inside your vehicle. Mistake number 7. Snap, crackle, pop. That's not the sound your trailer's supposed to make. Purchasing a trailer built with thin gauge steel is a major problem. Avoiding this mistake can be difficult because it's hard to tell what the gauge of steel is that the manufacturers are using. Many ATV trailer manufacturers use light-duty, thin-gauge steel simply to cut costs and increase their margins on their low-budget trailers. Light-gauge steel will hold up when it's new. It's after years of road vibration and exposure to the elements that metal fatigue and corrosion takes its toll. It cracks and weakens the steel to the point that the trailer has to be replaced. whereas with a heavy gauge steel trailer, it will still be performing perfectly 15 or 20 years from now. If you see a lightweight channel or angle iron construction, start looking for another trailer. What you want is heavy gauge box steel tubing. Box steel is substantially stronger than channel or angle iron and will last for decades. Echo Elite bonus. Super strong fenders allow you to drive your four-wheeler right over them and it won't even faze them. Just like the rest of our trailer, everything is made with top quality heavy gauge steel construction. Mistake number 8, buying a painted trailer. Would you shoot your brand new trailer with a 20 gauge shotgun? You will be if you make this mistake. It's not uncommon to take a brand new painted trailer on a camping trip and come back with it looking like it just got sprayed by a 20 gauge shotgun. No amount of touch-up paint is going to make it look new again. What you want is a powder-coated trailer. Powder coating is actually polyester plastic that is applied in a powder form. It then gets put into an oven where it melts and bakes right onto the steel, producing a strong and durable finish to protect your trailer from gravel and the elements up to 5 times longer than paint. Powder coating is extremely tough, but it's also environmentally friendly. It has no solvents or hazardous wastes to dispose of. This technology is used by billion-dollar automotive manufacturers on all of their vehicles. It's almost bulletproof, resistant to scratches and rock chips, far better than liquid paint. And it has an automatic UV protection. Your trailer will look as bright as the day you bought it. Echo Elite bonus. Your friends will think you have a new trailer every time you go out because all you have to do is wash it down and it looks as good as the day you bought it. Mistake number 9, buying for price instead of for value. The bitterness of low quality far outlasts the sweetness of a low price. There are a lot of factors to consider when buying a trailer. One of the most important is value. No one wants to waste money, yet very often buying a cheap trailer is doing exactly that. Replacing broken lights, buying a jack, paying someone $100 to repack bearings, buying new tires because the old ones were too small and failed, repainting, rewelding, and eventually replacing the entire trailer, like our friend Steve, will cost far more than paying just a few dollars more on the front end. Other considerations that we haven't even mentioned are some of the little things that Echo trailers include that others simply don't. We include safety pins that lock the ramps to the trailer, preventing the ramp from flipping off and hurting someone when loading. Metal straps on the safety chains prevent chains from coming off and dragging on the road. Plus, Echo has all kinds of extras like lockable toolbox with gas can, rear loading ramp, a double gas can rack, and our industry-leading receiver that accommodates bike racks, extra coolers, canoe stands, and many other features. Echo has more new options coming out all the time. The Echo Elite bonus is that you are getting the absolute best value for your dollar. The greatest quality trailer at the lowest price possible. You won't regret your purchase of an Echo trailer.